My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
I'm in the restroom because I was doing my hair and I have my new camera with me. And the SIM card just got here, so I'm about to put it in and switch footage from my phone to the camera and see how it is. So let's see, it's 2:13 right now. I'm recording on my camera, y'all. It's 2:13. I'm gonna try to have everything done by 4. That's a good time for me. So yeah, y'all. Hey guys, I'm just installing this wig and I want to do, what's the style name? Curtain bangs. I think that's what it's called. So wish me luck. This is my footage on my new camera. I finally got it and I'm so happy. I have the DJI Pocket 2. I got the creator combo, and so I'm finna see how it goes. And yeah, like this. I don't even want to do nothing extra. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer. Y'all, I cannot wait for Bridgerton to come out. I finished season 3 like on Sunday. It was super good. I love Penelope. I don't hate Eloise. She just really gets on my nerves. I feel like she's super entitled because she's a Bridgerton. And she's acting like Penelope ruined their whole family. Like, I get it. Penn did write about them. But she had to, like, it would have been weird if she didn't. Like, you know? Like, first of all, I love Bridgerton. Like, Queen, don't get me started on Queen Charlotte. Queen Charlotte is my show. Farmer George will always be more elite than all the other Bridgerton, man. It's so sad. It's so sad how in Bridgerton they got this, him all old and crazy and stuff. Like, that's so sad. I be feeling so bad for him and Charlotte. I can't do it, my little babies. Okay, let me pull up the tutorial on TikTok real quick.
Once I do this, I'm parting it and pulling it. Make this cut, you see the angle. It's super quick and easy and matching them up. We've got it perfect in the center. So this is the front style. And now let me finish the whole wig. And this is how it came out. It's super quick and easy, and this is definitely in season. Let's cut we typically install our wigs, so you want to cut the bang the same way. Now what I'm doing is grabbing my scissors and my comb, and I'm sectioning out the closure only. All this cutting will be on the lace only. Now that's where it's going to sit. So once I do this, I'm parting it and pulling it over and keeping my fingers.
Oh, baby, I hope I don't mess this up. Oh my Jesus, please, please, please. It's going to be fucked up, I know it. Oh wait, I actually ate. Okay. I think I missed this one. Oh, Jesus. Did I fuck it up? I don't think I did. Why? My mom will calling me. Say hey, Ma. When we blend it, we're gonna drag it down, not up, because you don't want to mess your eyebrows up. That's a trick I learned from TikTok. I don't have any primer on. I don't have any moisturizer on. I kind of wanted it to be a kind of dry look. I already washed my chicken. I think I make baked chicken and dirty rice. Alright, y'all, I'm done seasoning my meat. I'm gonna put it in my pot. Then
from a rifle to the heart, like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more.
now you can eat. Not to jinx it or nothing, y'all, but it feels so freaking good outside. Like, it feels cool. It have a breeze, and y'all know for Houston, and that's really rare. Not rare, but it always be super fucking hot with no breeze. It say it is 78 degrees, but it's 50% chance of rain. So hopefully it doesn't. It might will, because it rained yesterday. Okay, y'all, I made me some watermelon with some tahini. And y'all see my new plant? I'm eating at the table before I start cleaning up. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Slip back. I don't know. Praise not working to do it.